I was asked to make a video to show how to do the purl stitch that I use on my scarves and small objects that I'm not going to use the honeycomb stitch on because some people find it womanly. So I used the purl stitch. I will do a row of the Tunisian where you cast on and cast off, then do a purl row, and then do another TSS row, and then do another purl row, followed by TSS, and this seems to stop my projects from curling. In order to purl, we have the first vertical bar, which we're not going to use. We're going to use our second vertical bar, and what you're going to do is you're going to put your yarn forward in front of your hook. You're going to go down and go through your second vertical bar. You're going to pull your yarn to the side. I hold mine down with my thumb. Then you're going to yarn over and pull through. This gives you the purl bump that's on the front. Again, hold it down with my thumb and go through. Push the yarn forward, down through, hold it, and pull through. And we continue to go across the row. As we do this, it keeps a lot of my projects flat. It pulls the fabric in the opposite direction. And I like it because it does keep a lot of my projects from curling. Some people even incorporate this as a row after their honeycomb stitch to keep things from curling. And our final stitch, we're going to go through the V, yarn over, and pull through. And to cast off, you're going to cast off as normal, where we go through the 1, then go through 2, go through 2, go through 2, all the way across until you have your 1 loop left remaining on your hook. And this will make your gaps look much bigger. Don't panic. When you do your next row, it'll make up for that. But this purl gives that beautiful ridge line across it.